Many food and beverage applications have mild freezing needs between 0 and -12 Celsius. For these needs, HFO refrigerant-based systems are very suitable and prove to have many benefits compared to ammonia-based systems. In this series, we will compare HFO-based systems to ammonia-based systems in mild freezing applications. Let's look at standardization. HFO-based chillers are a standardized product, which means their production is efficient, cost-effective, and of consistent high quality. Compared to ammonia-based systems, they are easier to install, and there is far greater predictability on how they will work on any given application. Trane's extensive knowledge of every model and components within it translates to added flexibility, interchangeability, and easier compliance. Waste is also reduced due to standardization, and this complements Trane Technologies' green initiatives like the Gigaton Challenge. For more information on how we can help, go to